Okay, so the energy balances equation delta H. Heat absorbed or released by the system is equal to the change in enthalpy. And then heat capacity of the system, let me write this, is equal to the heat absorbed or released by the system, and then if we bring temperature into the mix, divided by any of the changes in temperature. And so for a system, enthalpy in must equal to enthalpy out. And so the sum of all of the moles of the species of a system times the enthalpy, of the species in the system must equal the sum of the moles at the final state of the system and the enthalpy of the final state of the system. So then, let me get my towel and erase this and use another marker. From where we were, we can say that if under a constant pressure, the change in enthalpy of a system must equal, or divided by the change in temperature of the system is equal to the heat capacity under a constant pressure. So we can go from here and say that Q is equal to the enthalpy of the reaction plus the summation of the moles of the species times the heat capacity of the species in the system times the temperature that the system operates at minus the standard state of the system.